I had just started working, and one evening I came back from one of the double shifts that I was doing. I had this wonderful lady who was choreographing my song, Saroj Khan. I came and I said, "Oof, kitna kaam zyada ho gaya, Saroj ji." And she told me a very simple truth. Very lovingly patted me on the head and said, "Never say that. You should always be working. Because if you are a worker and if you like work, you should never complain about too much work. Because it's really worse when you don't have that. And cherish it right now." I like to work. I have the opportunity. God's been kind. I've been able to do that. It's a lot of hard work. It's 18 hours a day. So I just keep working. In between, a lot of things have got attached. Some which I love doing. Some which I've done because I had to. Some which are just happening on their own organically. And my learning curve from all these businesses is, whatever you do in business, I think you've got to keep it extremely simple. It may be very complicated to make, but it should be as simple as that it should work simply. I think don't get into a business, don't do a business if you don't have the passion for it. There are a lot of people who start business and sell it off. I don't understand that. Business belongs to you. You live with the business and you die with it. If it's done well, you should be feeling blessed. If it doesn't do well, it should take you down. I believe in that. I'm not a businessman who will start a business and sell it off and make a quick buck. Every business has a gestation period. Just when you begin to lose hope, it'll come back. KKR, we lost. We are now 2-time champion. You stick with it long enough. And this is for young startup people. Just when you think it is time to give up, don't. I think that's most important. There's only two things in business that matter. Either you'll do it or you don't do it. There's nothing in middle. Either you do something or don't do something, which helps you with the greatest tenet of business. If you're ready to walk away from the most lucrative deal, you'll never fail as a businessman. So if you can walk away from a deal, if it's not suiting you, not money-wise, it just doesn't feel right. And if you can walk away from a deal, you'll be the greatest businessman on earth. And there will always be somebody who is going to point a finger at you for something or the other. That if you can dream it, you can make it. And I get really amazed that there is no limit. Even sky is not the limit. If you can dream it, you can make it.